What? What are you doing? Just kick it. Why did you stall it? Oh, it looks fine. Why not? You just did. Oh, you're looking good. Hang on. This is where they are when we forget them. Oh, that's gonna start it. You want me to kick it? Uh-oh, I'm gonna end up in the water. Hang on, don't touch me, you're gonna push me over. That was close. That would have made good video.
Then I'd fall in after you.
The bike would fall on us. So far, so good. Maybe it's got water in it. Wanted me to kick it? Here, give me the kicker. I just have a feeling I'm going to end up in there. Is it getting hot yet?
Oh, shit.
This is where we'll leave them both, so when we know where they are when we lose them. I think it's time for the electric start.
That really should be starting.
Could be the color. It's yellow. You want me to give it a shot? Before you blow a gasket?
My gasket? Or
Yeah, your gasket. Maybe you're out of gas. Just roll it out. You'll stand. Your feet will just be wet. You must have been in neutral. You're kicking it. Oh, it's almost there. Oh, now the video's rated R. Mother. Anybody want to say hi to you while you're out there? Your sponsors? Suzuki Racing? I'm getting thirsty.
I got a water bottle here.
Hey! Don't stall it! More! More! Yes! How's it feel? You want me to hold the bike?